Okay, today I want to talk about legendary paint. This one here is soon to be gone. This was one of our leftover 2019s. Just in case something slides on this, I am taking backup offers on this truck currently, as of, what is today, the 30th of July. I just want to talk about, I get a lot of questions about the legendary paint and why is it much more expensive. And it's an Imron paint. It's just a tougher paint, has better resins in it, is more resilient to scratch and pits. Pause a second here. I had some trucks going by there. You can see Pikes Peak up there in the background over the hood. We're in Colorado Springs. But today was a good day, nice hot day, and I hope that it comes through in the video that you can see the depth of the flakes in this paint it is pretty phenomenal. It's easier to clean too, from what I've noticed. The only real negative to this style of paint is it's a little harder to match, but my body shop guy did some the other day. It turned out real nice. So I'll just go through the truck real quick. It's a standard 280 wheelbase. I'm going to talk a little bit later about drop axles in these trucks, because I am getting a ton of questions about drop axles.
Oh, I guess you got to say front loader. Front discharge.
My buddy Eric out of Grand Junction ordered a 567 with this paint. It's going to be pretty awesome. 565, 2050 torque. Truck got a little dirty yesterday. I had to drive it down from Denver and it started raining, so I didn't get a chance to clean up the frame yet. The outside stayed pretty clean. This one is disc brakes on the front. It is a sprung front suspension, and we're running 22.5 tall rubber. 4 batteries. Battery disconnect. This is the shorter miter cut pipe, so for you fuel haulers, you should be able to get up underneath your stalls that you need to pull through. If not, we can shorten your stacks for you, no problem. So, a lot of guys asking me, and I'm installing some lift axles for some guys. Whenever you see this space in here, this toolbox is 31 inches wide. Typically, I think we have a full 37 inches between the back of the tank, and then you can see the front shackle of the suspension. Now, if you're running like a flex air suspension, you're going to cost yourself some space. But I have a great new vendor here in Colorado that is really good at getting me axles quickly, and we can put them on. So we can do 10,000 pound liftable steerables or 13,000 pounds. And the price difference is very minimal, and so I do suggest just going with a 13. This one is disc brakes front to back, 336 rears. Again, guys, if you have questions about this stuff, give me a call. My direct number is 970-518-5520. You can see here, when you're on the shady side, it's a little harder to see the flake in there, but you can. But it almost turns the truck purple. And of course, we have Peterbilt's new single pass after treatment system. I'm hearing really good reports on reliability and lack of maintenance, which is what y'all want in DEF trucks. I had a comment on YouTube here. A guy asked me to talk about deleted trucks, and a lot of guys call me and say, can you take my deleted truck in on trade? And the answer is no. I have to have a factory operational truck. I cannot accept deleted trucks. You know, what you guys do with your trucks after you buy them is up to you. But I honestly can't make any recommendations on who does the deletes. But it seems like it's a small world. So anyways, but as far as deleted trucks, I don't do them, and I don't talk about them. What I will tell you though is the need for deleted trucks is greatly reducing just due to the reliability, especially of our after treatment system. So the government's doing their best to legislate those things out as fast as they can. They're making them harder to register, harder to keep on the road. This one does have interaxle locks, not full three-way diff lockers. A lot of discussion and chatter about that here lately as well. Plenty of spare switches for your lighting, for your chicken lights, auxiliaries. Dual sending units in your fuel tanks. If you get one ruptured tank, you can switch to the other side. So, platinum interior. This one is sterling gray. And pretty much, you know, the standard 72-inch flat top here. And we do have an S-bar bunk heater in this truck. And the work center, of course. Give you a little shot down the hood here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give me a call direct, 970-518-5520. If you like these videos, go ahead and click in the button in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. We'd love to have you. And we'll talk soon. Stay safe.